Right. So many people to come. Okay. Today we'll discuss about how to put resume and how to attend interviews. Tomorrow we'll complete that FDM and intercompany balance things. Right. Tomorrow still FDM is not working. I'm not sure why it is not working. Just give me 1 second. I'm sharing my screen. Just give me 1 second. We'll troubleshoot for 5 or 10 minutes and then we'll go. Let me open WebLogic. We'll see. HTTP. So I'm opening WebLogic now. We'll see if any troubleshooting, if we find anything in WebLogic. Okay. So let it come into running mode. Yes, it is in running mode now. When you open this, it will open. So EPM underscore ADMIN and password is Sairam123. So login. So when you click on servers here, you will see all the ports. So okay, 6550 is the port for. So here 6550, enter. Here you can see ODI is running and it is OK status. ERP integrator is nothing but ODI. So this one we have to open from here only. Yes, click here. See, the main problem is somebody has deleted the source system here. Here, right, when you go to source, here somebody has changed this to Fusion Budgetary Control. That is why it is not working. So here it should be global. Okay, save. Done. So log off and log in again. We will see now. So look, click on navigate, administer, data management. Go to data load, workbench. Now we'll try to load the file and see whether it will accept or not. FDME inbox. Okay, so log off. Just give me 1 second. So we'll close this one also. Just give me 1 second. Here we have to restart FDM. Right click, restart. We'll wait for 2 or 3 minutes. It should be solved now. So I regularly tell to people not to touch that folder as well as source system. Source system by default it should come. By default there should be a file. If you don't do anything also there will be one source system called file. Somebody has deleted that. That created the problem. Even when you delete the application, entire application, that file system will not go. That source system will not go. Both file system and as well as for source system will be there for permanently, even though there is no application registered. Okay, somebody has deleted that file system. I mean source system. Right. So once again go here and go to click on servers and see whether it is in running or still okay or ERP integrator. Still it is not open. So you have to refresh it until it open. It is in running state. ERP integrator is running now. So it will open now. Come here, go to navigate, administer, data management. Click on workbench. Click on import. Select. expand FDME inbox, same file will try to load. Now it should work. See, import is done. Validation, there are some validation errors. What are those errors? Entity IN, source value IN and HK, right? So go to data load mapping and go to entity dimension. Okay, right? Explicit, go to explicit. So here I should put it as IN, and here I should put it as HK. Save. Done. Now go to product and see whether we have given XYZ and product. Yes, click on add XYZ. Target value is LJP TOPS ABC. Target value is DSK TOPS. Save. Done. Now again go to the data load workbench. Again click on validate fish. Automatically it will validate. See? Somebody has logged in. Just give me 1 second. So it will be goldfish now. But still, right, what is the error it is showing now? Account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go to data load mapping. Go to account dimension explicit. Okay, I have wrongly given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save. Done. Now all the mappings are done. Now when you click on validate gold, it will be goldfish. If it is blackfish, it is failed. If it is goldfish, it is successful. That's it. Import validate. Now export. When you click on export, see here it is showing IN is mapped to 1000, HK is mapped to 1200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is mapped to 101, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is mapped to 101, 200, ICP none, ICP none, ABC is mapped to desktop, XYZ is mapped to laptops, cash flow none, none, end balance, FDME, FDME. These are the amounts. 9988. So when I click on export, it should export to HFM. It will load the data into HFM. See, click on load. That's it. If it is error message, then the problem with the target system, not with the source system. Okay, invalid intersection will fail. So yes, where went wrong? So export is failed. So you have to go to the outbox. So click on setup. Go to the here directly you can say this outbox will be. So what is the process detail here? When you go to here process details, it will show the process detail. See, so 158, right? So click on this, show, it will clearly show the error. Come here. So invalid sulfur period Jan. This is so actual January 24 E1000. Right, where is the problem? Laptops, I guess end bell. What is the member in the end bell? Go to application, we'll see what is the spelling of end bell. Is it end space bell or end bell? We'll see now. Or simply we'll create a Excel grid. EXCL Excel, yes. It will be better. Excel grid will be better. Right, so click on smart view panel, go to private connection, cluster, yes. Done, yes. Expand, ad hoc analysis. So you have to put account dimension, and here it should be, and here it should be laptops also, right? So yes. Then so AC underscore 101 100, AC underscore 101 200, refresh. So here I have to put Asia dot E1000 E1200, right? 1200, refresh.
2024.
2024. Somebody has changed the metadata, HFM metadata. See, it is showing as invalid intersection. So immediately, what we have to do? Go to load application elements. We load the original metadata by clearing all the balances. So right, so clear all metadata and then load the metadata. Somebody has changed the metadata. Done. Now come here, right click and disconnect. Right click and connect again. Refresh. Done. Now when you load the data from FDME, it will 100% load. Right now come here, go to data load workbench. Again click on export and then OK. Done. Now come here and refresh and see, it will be loaded. See 999. So again here DESKTOPS desktops, refresh. Done. So you can see the pink color, right? It means it is loaded from FDME. The same thing when you open the same grid in web grid, you can drill down also. So come here, go to here. So click on documents and create a grid here. Click on new data grid. Same thing we will create here. So account, right? Expand, 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 expand 101 100 and 101 200. So remove all and then click it here. That's it. So put it as front end entity and then drag it back and select India and Hong Kong. That's it. Now see 2024. So your data is successfully loaded. Done. So you can see a flower here. The same thing, we'll do one thing, we'll go to the design mode and we'll drag the product to here. Yes. And we'll select laptops and desktops. That's it. Now see, you can see both 999 and 8. So okay, it should be 1200, right? So here it is 1200. We loaded the data to 1200. So Japan. That's it. Now come here and see, you will see both the values 88899. So I'm closing this data management now. Okay, completely closing the screen. Now when you right click here and when you see drill down, when you see drill down, drill through source, see, automatically it will open FDME screen and it will show you how this 888 came. Right. See, drill through. A drill through screen will open and it will open the, see, this 88. How this 88 came, right? So yes, so whenever you load the data, always you can drill back to the source. This is called drill through. So this is called data management. So you have to practice until this data load. Clear? So once again I am saying, when you go to the data management, never delete this source system and never delete the file structure. Okay. So very clearly I am saying, when you go to the source system, see, this one is not necessary. I'll delete this one. There should be file system, file only, leave it by default, leave it. Okay. And then source system settings, this folder should not be changed, and application settings, this folder should not be changed. Okay, so I'll keep the same folder here, copy this and put it here. Clear? Save. That's it. Never touch these two. Okay, remaining everything is default. Now you can start practicing FDM. Any doubts in FDM? Adagalam, please ask doubts. Any doubts? Rajkiran garu, Subbaraj garu, any doubts? Are we clear? So how do we load multi data? So when you go to import format, here, right, in the expression, if you are doing it as, so I'll create another import format. Okay, so here I'll put it as SAP_BUD budget. Okay, done. So ERP EPM, what is my source? Always file. Target is EPM. Yes. Application. Yes. So here instead of fix, I'll put it as multi-period. That's it. Done. Okay. Deal through same URL. I'll put here. I'll put it as save. Done. Now I have to, in the expression, sorry, in the budget, right? I have to give the account here, ACC. Okay. Field number 1, no issues. AMNT. Field number, I give 6. But here in the expression, what I will do is, I'll click on this expression and I'll give my expression as, see, column start and 8. 6, 8 means 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 is my start value and end value. So yes, save. Automatically it will recognize that this is a multi-load file. Automatically from column 6 to 7 and 8, these three, it will recognize as values. Clear? Remaining everything is same. With the same thing, can I load? Yes, I can load. See, so I'll fill the remaining CF, yes, DT, yes, ENT, yes, ICP, yes, PROD, yes, RF. So RF, I'll put it as 1. I'll put it as 3. I'll put it as 1, 2, 1, 1. I'll save it. So it is not saved, so we'll save it again. So cash flow is 1, data type is again 1, entity is 2, ICP is 1, and prod is 3. Save. Done. I'll hard code the remaining. So cash flow, NONG, none. Data type, EFDM, EE, entity, ICPs, ICPNONG, none, PROD, no need, RF, ENDBAL, balance, save. Done. Now we have to create our data load rule. Now go to right with the same location. You can always data load rule. I created as SAP budget. SAP underscore BUD budget. So here I'll put it as forecast. Whatever you want, forecast or budget. Okay, so I'll put it as multi-load period. Multi-period. What do you mean by contagious period and non-contagious period? For example, you have 12 months, you are loading 12 months data. Means from sixth column to 12 columns it will contain the data. But for some May or June, you don't have data. You will put a blank comma, right? Then that is called non-contagious period. So I'll put contagious period means in every column there will be amount. So it will recognize that. So click on import format and put it as budget. See, that's it. Save. So file type should always be what happened? Your changes has been saved. Cancel this. So click on SAP location and always put it as budget and see your file will be saved. Right, yes, now see budget. So file type we have to put multi contagious period, yes, save. Clear? Now you can load data for, so we'll change the period to some 2016 or 2015. Okay, so Jan, February, March, right? FY18. We have 3 months, right? January, February, and March. Yes, click on January. Okay, right? Now we'll try to load data to January. So you can directly execute here. Before that, we'll create a file. So this one 999. Okay, we'll put like this 111, comma 222, comma 333, and here 444, comma 555, comma 666. Clear? Save. Save this as save
Sir, if
as.
we are creating different locations for FDIB rule, I mean load rules,
Yeah.
so while reviewing the numbers in the grids, right? For that also, do we need to create any separate thing, or it will be captured
If you
always?
want, you need not check, because whenever you see a goldfish for export, it will be exported. If you want to check the data, then you have to create a grid and check.
No, 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 I'm not saying about grids, data form, sorry.
Yeah, even data form also. If you want to check, then you can create. Otherwise, no, it will 100% it will load. If you are seeing goldfish.
But if we are selecting the location, right, the same form can be used, right?
Yeah, anything, same. It doesn't matter. So here, see, I'm selecting the file budget. Select here and FDME inbox. I'm uploading the file here. So select the file, browse. Where is my budget? Desktop. So my data underscore budget. Yes, right. Okay. Click OK. Done. Select this one. Okay. So here I'm saving the file here. So when you save, right, directly you can execute the file from here. Rule here. When you execute the rule, it will ask. See, import from source. Yes. Recalculate export to target. Yes. What is your start month? January. And what is your end month? Here you have to give your end month as January. Where is the January? Here it is not showing March. So why it is not showing March? Okay. March.
Sir, we took 2016, I think.
anything. It doesn't matter whether you take January or March. January.
Is it
Okay, we'll
showing the
see.
open
We'll
period?
see what happens. We'll run it. Come to process details and see. Refresh. See, January. Right. Refresh. See, it loaded January, February, March, right? Go to data load workbench and see. See, January 2018, it loaded. See, 111. You can see 111 and 444. Yes. Go to February and see. It will load 222 and 555. So, February did not load. Why? And March. March also it did not load. So we'll go to process details and we will see where went wrong. So 6, 7, 8. So we'll go to the import format again. Go to budget. So multi-period okay. Amount column 6. Expression 6, 7, 8. Now I have doubt about this expression. Start command. So here I have to put 6, comma 8. 6, 7, 8, right? So okay, done. Save. Okay, this is correct. So when you go to data load rule again, budget rule, multi-period text file, contagious, okay. Okay, once again we'll go to the, it's come only, right? Now save this one and we'll try to execute this again, execute. So it is not showing the period as Jan 2018. Why it is not showing end period as this one? I am okay. We'll go to period category and we'll see. Go to setup,
సార్
period mapping.
మనం ఏదైతే లోడ్ చేసామో అందులో ఫిబ్రవరి మార్చ్ అని ఇవ్వలేదు కదా సార్.
ఇవ్వాల ఇక్కడ చెప్పాలి మనం జనవరి ఫిబ్రవరి మార్చ్ విల్ సెలెక్ట్ 2017. ఓకే, సో గో టు డేటా లోడ్ రూల్ అగైన్. సో 2017 January, February, March, 17. So will 2018, I doubt about 2018. See, it is June. This is not, even though they have put the period name as March, they put it as June. That is the reason it is not showing. So go to data load workflow, go to data load mapping, data load rule. Here we'll select January 2017. So January 2017. Jan, where is Jan?
Below down. Last year.
Jan 2017. Now it will show January, February, March 2017. Yes. So once again I am saying system will never do mistake. Okay. Sorry, not April, March. So January, February, March. Right, include, export. Now you see run. Now automatically it will load for all the 3 months. Okay, now come here. So see, import for January, import for February, import for March. When you refresh, right, again transfer from transform for January, transform for February, transform from March, and then export, export, export. Simple, very simple. Done. See, export completed. Now go to data load workbench. Now see March 2017. It will load March balances. See, when you see, you will see 333 and 666. When you go to February and see 222 555. Done. This is called multi-period. Yes, see 222 555. Clear? In January it will load 111 and 333. I mean 444. So this is called multi-load. Clear, everyone? So you have to do this homework. FDME, when you go to FDME case study, FDME, first you have to understand the case study one. So here I have given you all source. You have to load all the mappings at a time. So here, so come here, go to data load mapping, explicit mapping account, right? Here I have given 2 accounts. So I'll delete everything. Delete. Yes. So select here, delete. Yes. Yes, select here, delete. So I'll put one thing. So I'm clipping no. So this one you need format, right? When you automate this, when you have to load bulk members, how do I do? So all mappings. So I'll export it. Export current dimension means account dimension. So here I'll put it as FDME inbox. So here I'll put it as ACC underscore MAP dot txt. Okay, yes, save. See, it will be loaded here. So your format should be like this. Download, open file. See, so when you load comma, see what is this comma? This is description and this is change sign. So 3 commas it should be. Now how do I load a bulk data? So here open the case study. So here I have given you account, SAP accounts. These are all SAP accounts and these are all HFM accounts. I have to load all the accounts at a time, all the HFM accounts. So these are the source SAP. How do I do that one? So I'll open a new Excel sheet. In this one, I'll put source. Done. So here I'll put target. In source, I'll copy all the source accounts. SAP accounts, right? Copy this and paste it here. Yes. In target, I'll put all these 2. Copy and put it here. So only thing is this one, cut it and paste it here, right side. That's it. So remove this. Now I am good. So how do I map this one? So here I have to use VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOK lookup. So this is my description common, right? And then go to target and then description comma 2 comma 0. Now see, whenever a data is coming for 202000, it will load it into this one. So likewise come here and done. That's it. Now open our Excel text pad, right? So here I'll format like this. So this is my source and then comma, right? So come here is equal to and double quotes comma double quotes and double quotes comma double quotes. Done. You got the same thing, right? Copy this and paste it here under this one. So did you get in the same format? Yes or no? How many commas it should be?
3, sir.
3 commas. So no issues. We'll do it right now. So copy this comma, copy, Control H, yes, comma, replace all. That's it. Now you can remove the first line. Done. Save it. So save as, where do I save? On the desktop, account mapping underscore test, save. Now come here. So same thing, delete this line. You don't need this line, right? Go to explicit and delete this line. Now account has blank mappings. How do I do that one? Go to all mappings, click on import current dimension. You can do all dimensions at a time, but you should need some troubleshooting knowledge. Otherwise, it will create a lot of problems. So I'm deleting this file. Yes. Now I'm uploading the mapping file again. Upload, browse. So desktop, account map test. Yes.
But sir, for most of the accounts, it should be like star or like mapping, right?
Yes, yes. So
And
when
instead of
you
copying
have
every account.
different types of accounting, right? I mean different types of mapping, then take example for each one of them. Only enter manually one type of like mapping one time, explicit one time, in between one time. Automatically you will see, you will get the format in the text file. See? All the mappings are done at a time. It will take only 1 minute or 2 minutes to load. Even though you have 10,000 members or 20,000 members or 30,000 members also, it should take only 1 minute. Clear? See, all the mappings are done now. Now you are good to load entire mappings. Likewise, you have to do entity mapping as well as product mapping also. And then you have to load this file. Here I have given you SAP data. When you load this file successfully, then basics of FDME, you are very good in basics of FDME. So this is the data you have to load perfectly without any errors. Clear? See? See, meanwhile, you can have some assumptions and you can take your own decision. For example, here intentionally I have given 0 here. When you page down, see, you don't see I have given laptops, desktops, etc., but some of the items I given 0 means no product. You can take decision on the spot. Okay, 0 means I can assume that it has a no product. Yes, you can load it the data to no product. The only thing is here, when you see the data load workbench for the save for the period for the year, it should be 3 goldfishes. Then you are successful in loading the FDME data. Everyone clear? So once this is done, second case study, it is little bit difficult. You have to load multi-period and you have to load ownership data and you have to load exchange rates. Yes, try that one also. Even that is also completed now. Go for Python scripting. Third one and fourth one, right? I mean case study 3. You need scripting knowledge. Clear? Try to complete the case study 3 also. When you practice all case study 1, case study 2 and case study 3, then you will be very much comfortable in FDME. This is called FDME. Any doubts in FDME? Please confirm. Please ask. Subraj garu అర్థమైనట్టేనా? రాజకిరణ్ గారు?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please don't change that source system and file system, okay? It will create a lot of problem to others. Nobody can practice. Yesterday, complete Indrajit tried, right? Indrajit? So I could not get time. So early morning today, I woke up at 5:30 and I started troubleshooting this. Then I understood where went wrong. Somebody, while practicing, they have deleted the source system that created the problem. Clear? So I can troubleshoot, but right, troubleshooting will take lot of time, trust me, because I have to understand where went wrong, right? So whatever you do, remember that. So any more doubts in FDME? So shall we do the intercompany also in FCCS? So I have deleted the application and I have recreated that. We'll see. Right. Okay. Go to dimensions. So go to account dimension, expand balance sheet, expand traditional approach, expand total assets, expand current assets, expand account receivables. See, okay, somebody has created this, but still we'll see. Now, 1 minute, open, I'm closing this case study. I'm closing this one also. So here also I'm closing this and I'll open. Where is my notes? Go here. So FCCS metadata grids, right? Okay, I'll close this one also. No. So where is, no, not this one, ICP grids, right? So go to part 3, ICP, FCCS ICP grid. Right, so first I'll create this member. So before that I have to go to, sorry, I'll close this one also. So expand total liabilities, expand current liabilities, expand other current liabilities, and this one, click on edit button. First step is, where is my first step? I've given you the notes, right? Open this and notes. Enter company. Yes, FCCS enter company. First thing is we have to enable the plug account. Yes, right. Come here, go to attribute values, is plug account. Yes, done. So I'm saving it as save. Now we'll create intercompany accounts. So first we'll create the receivables. Come here, go to sibling, intercompany receivables, LS tables, intercompany receivables, asset non expense. It should be never share, yes. And go to formula, it should be never share, yes. And go to attribute values. We have to put it as is intercompany account, yes. Then so when you expand plug account, it will still, it won't show. So first we have to refresh the database. We'll do that one. So next step is IC payables. Come here. So current liabilities, accounts payable. So here trade payables, again I'll create a sibling, right? IC payables. So it should be never share. It should be never share. And member formula also never share. And the attribute values is intercompany, yes. Done. Now refresh the database and then we'll give the plug account. In live, it will take at least 3 or 4 minutes. Right, done. Now go to this IC receivables and then click on edit and then go to attribute values, expand this plug account, synchronize this. Automatically you'll see the plug account. Yes, done. Save. Now aim for I series payables. Again click on edit button, go to attribute values, expand plug account and then select the plug account. Save. Now go to entity dimension. Right, go to right, so you can see for India is ICP yes or no. Yes, and for New York, New Jersey also. New York, yes. Right, is ICP yes. And then New Jersey also is ICP yes. And then UK also is ICP yes. Done. We are good now, so I am refreshing the database again once again. That's it. So this setup is one-time activity. Clear? So now we can enter the data and then we can consolidate the data and we'll see what happens. Done. Finish. Now come here. Go to single currency, ICP single currency. Right, click on Smart View panel and then click on private connection and then select the IC cloud. Ad hoc analysis, console reuse. Okay, F515. Copy, paste, yes, refresh. Okay, somebody has changed this again. So I clearly told them not to change this years also. Yes. F515 is there, right? F515. Okay. And scenario is actual. So go to scenario dimension. And for actual, click on edit button and I'll put the alias as A80. Yes, save. Done. Now remove this line and then refresh. It should accept now. Done. Now okay. For New York, New Jersey ICP, I'm entering some 400. For New Jersey, New York ICP, I'll enter some 140. Right, submit data. Now this is a single currency USD. So what is the difference between 400 and 140? It should be 260, right? Yes, in the intercompany elimination you should see 260. So come here, go to rules, right click on consolidate, select total geography, yes, January 15, yes, launch. Now go to jobs and see whether your consolidation is successful or not. So refresh. Yes, consolidation is completed now. Now come here and refresh and see. See, 260 is our intercompany elimination, right? It is a common parent is US, right? So under US you can see intercompany elimination. Okay. So when you select this intercompany elimination here and here also, refresh. So elimination. So this is correct now. Okay. So You put it as entity input and then refresh and see. Okay, so okay, Control Z. Okay, so select member here. Refresh. Refresh. Here we put data input and see. Just give me 1 second. Now refresh. Right. So where it is? Okay, you can delete this as of now. So do anybody have this original one? Because we changed this completely, right? Even I have forgotten. Anybody? What are the members we have taken here? Indrajit, can you open our Excel and see? Anybody can open that. What are the members we have taken for this entity currency and here? So we'll put it as entity input, okay, refresh. So data input, refresh. ఒకసారి చూడండి అమ్మా ఏం పెట్టాం అక్కడ. Is anybody seeing? Intercompany eliminations.
Sir, in which folder I have to check?
ICP folder part 3. So till now you did not open that, Indrajit?
Friends,
You did not practice even one time.
Sir, here in India and UK is there total geography, changes in cash, no product, no multi-gap.
కాదు సింగిల్ కరెన్సీ చేయండి ICP సింగిల్ కరెన్సీ. సో హియర్ ఐ హావ్ టు ఐ వాంట్ ద POV here. What are the
Single
POV?
currency, US, changes in cash, no product, no multi-gap, periodic, intercompany eliminations, actual, entity currency, entity total, year and month.
So only 4 columns. We don't have FNG.
Yes, sir. No, sir. F&G is there. Sir, first, ఒక్కసారి మీకు న్యూ ఇయర్
CD నో డౌట్. FG లో ఏం పెట్టాను, ఏ POV పెట్టాను
సార్. ఎఫ్ చెప్తున్నాను మీకు. యుఎస్, చేంజెస్ ఇన్ క్యాష్, నో ప్రొడక్ట్, నో మల్టీగ్యాప్, పీరియాడిక్, ఇంటర్ కంపెనీ ఎలిమినేషన్స్, యాక్చువల్, ఎంటిటీ కరెన్సీ, ఎంటిటీ టోటల్, ఇయర్ FY18.
ఇది అంటే FG లో ఇది ఉంది, IG ఉంది, అవునా? మరి IG లో ఏముంది
సార్? మీకు చెప్పింది FIలో ఏముందంటే మళ్ళీ న్యూయార్క్, న్యూ జెర్సీ వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ.
అదే ఐలో ఇది పెట్టాము. ఓకే, చెప్పండి.
ఐలో న్యూయార్క్, చేంజెస్ ఇన్ క్యాష్, నో ప్రొడక్ట్, నో మల్టీగ్యాప్, పీరియాడిక్, ఇంటర్ కంపెనీ ఎలిమినేషన్స్, యాక్చువల్, పేరెంట్ కరెన్సీ, ఎలిమినేషన్.
Okay, sorry. Yes, this is the mistake we have done. So we have to select it as parent currency. Yes. Now copy this, and ఇది entity input ఏనా?
ఎంటిటీ టోటల్ సార్.
Okay, entity total. Yes, entity total. Yes. Refresh.
సార్ ఇది ఎంటిటీ టోటల్ కదా సార్, ఎలిమినేషన్ రివర్స్లో వచ్చింది.
So elimination, right? So this POV is very much confusing. So you have to buy at this. Done. See, this is correct. Perfect. So don't bother about the column names. Okay. So see here, elimination. The same 400 again. It is showing as minus 400. Here it is showing as elimination 140 and minus 400. So this is the 260. Clear? So this is called single currency elimination. Now what is multi-currency elimination? Come here again, right? So India, UK. So click on ad hoc analysis, console, reuse the contents and sheet. So again FI15, right? So FI15. So remove this and then click refresh. Now see, yes, so India UK ICP, right? So I'll put it as some 500. UK India ICP, I'll put it as some 180. So submit. Okay, so refresh and then see. Okay, sorry. Submit. Now we'll do the exchange rates. This is for FI15 February, right? Come here, go to Oracle and then go to data and then exchange rates multi-period and then give the rate for January. I'll put it as 2, 3, 3, and here I'll put it as 4, 4, 5, 5. Submit. See? So February, right? For euro we have given 4 and for INR we have given 5. That's it, right? Now come here, go to your Excel. So euro to USD we have given 4. INR to USD we have given 5. 5. Now 1 minute, right? See? So 180 rate, okay. Rate I have to give 4. Here 5. Done. So 720 should be our eliminated value. Now come here, go to close this one, click on navigate and then go to rules and then consolidate and then select the January as February. Yes. Launch. Now go to jobs and see whether consolidation is successful or not. Refresh, refresh, refresh. Now come here and refresh and see. See 720 is our value. See, write 5 here and then 4 here and then 5 here. Now you will see the value as eliminated value should be 720, correct? Same here also, right? You have to change the POV, intercompany eliminations. So here, right, copy this and paste it here. FEB, February, yes, refresh. Sorry, not this one, sorry. We have to copy this and this. Here, FEB Feb, and then refresh. Done? See? This is the grid, right? So finally we got 720 as our intercompany elimination. So how we took this one? So cut this and paste it here. So once again, rate is euro to USD 4. Yes, here it is 5. Is equal to euro. Where is UK, right? So here 180 into 4 is equal to 500 into, yeah, this is the correct amount, 1780, correct? Yes or no? Everybody understood? Yes or no? Even multi-currency after translation, right, it will eliminate. So it should not be 500 minus 180, simply it should not be 220, okay? I mean 320, because 500 is in INR and this 180 is in euro. So 180 will be translated to USD 720 and then this 500 will be translated to 2500 with the rate of 5 INR to USD. And then the difference between this 2500 and 720 will be the elimination amount intercompany. See, you can see intercompany payables differences. This is 11780. Clear? This is called intercompany elimination. Even this one, right? Somebody has changed the metadata. That is the reason last time we did not get that one. Any doubts in intercompany elimination, multi-period and single period, single currency and multi-currency? Single currency, there is no translation involved. That is the reason you don't need to enter any exchange rates. But for multi-currency, you have to enter the exchange rates. That is the only difference. Remaining everything is same. See the notes here. So, right, where is the elimination happen? Very, 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 very important. So, intercompany FCCS. Account plug account. Entity immediate common parent. These two will not change in between HFM and FCCS, but data source you have to take intercompany eliminations. Consolidation elimination member. So POV entity, base type entities, consolidation. This is the POV you have to take. So how do I run the reports here? Yes, go to home, click on reports. Where is the reports? Reports. So in the reports, you can see intercompany reports. See intercompany reports. Yes. Click on create. So entity, what is the entity I have to take? India. And yes. So I use plug accounts. Yes. So remaining everything I'll leave default. Yes. Now I'll run the report. 2015 January. Period is January. It's not January, I guess it's February, because it's India is involved, right? So February, run the report. Run. So it will generate a PDF file. See? Say it did not take the amount because your POV might be wrong. Clear? So done. Now what is the POV we have to take? So whatever the POV you entered here, same thing you take it. Right? So India and UK multi-currency, right? So changes in cash, no product. So FCCS movements, CHANGES in cash, yes. Total data source. What is the total data source we have selected? Data source, right? Yes. Multi-gap is no multi-gap. No MGLT multi-gap. And total product? No product. Yes. Now run and see. Run the report. Done. Again. So it did not take it. So what do we do? Just give me a second. In the interview, I mean in the notes I have given POV, entity, base IP, consolidation, elimination. Okay, for report, I have to give for report POV. Okay, so entity, yes, India and its parents, its partners. Okay, done. So, anything? Did we miss anything? So, data source should be eliminations. I get data source. Data source should be intercompany elimination, right? So, even this POV also every time I doubt regularly. No. Okay, consolidation is translated currency input. So,
సార్ ఇండియా అండ్ యూకే తీసుకోవాలా అంటే ఎంటిటీ మనకు
Consolidation will be eliminations.
sorry,
ఇండియా
Consolidation will be elimination.
where is it consolidation? Yeah, sorry, this one should be elimination. Yes, correct. Consolidation should be elimination. Now we'll run this. Right, run report and see. No, even this did not work. So changes in cash, intercompany eliminations, multi-gap.
సార్ ఇండియా అండ్ యూకే తీసుకోవాలా ఎంటిటీ అంటే రెండు తీసుకోవాలా
Okay, UK కూడా తీసుకుందాం. So run report and see. What happens? Select intercompany. So intercompany top, intercompany entities, UK ICP, sorry. Run report. No, where went wrong? So currency always USD, not entity currency. This is the problem, okay? I guess. No? Okay, once again, we'll see. India, ICP, UK, perfect. Changes in caps, data, we'll put it as data. And with data input and see, run the report. No. So no multi-gap, no product, changes in cash, India, ICP, UK. Consolidation will take as entity total and see. Contribution, proportion, parent total, entity total, and we'll see. Right. So just give me 1 second. We'll do one thing. Here you need not select anything. So movement dimension, total moments we'll put. Okay, done. Now run the report and see. Yes, it doesn't matter. So again, data source, total data source. Even this doesn't matter. Sorry. FCCS underscore cash. So total data source. Right, run the report and see. Done, it doesn't matter. So multi-gap, we'll take it as total multi-gap. Run the report and see. No. So here it should be no multi-gap only. No, and here product, total product will see this is the POV for, yes, this POV is fixed, okay. So no multi-gap, this is the POV, okay. So POV, I'll write the POV for ICP report POV, comma FCCS moments, comma FCCS total data source, comma no multi-gap, comma total product, comma. So here you need not take UK here. So here you can simply say, right, intercompany top level 0 descendants of intercompany top, okay. Even this will work. See, run. So it will take into consideration all the, right. So yes, so entity, right. So here ENTATY entity is equal to INDA India, partner is equal to this one. So main POV consolidation entity total and entity currency. Consolidation is equal to ENTATY TOTL total and currency CURR ENCY, currency is equal to ENTATY. Clear? So this is the POV for, we'll save it. Clear? So let me change this. For ICP report POV, entity should be ICP entity. ICP ENTATY entity. And partner will always be this one. You need not quantify the partner, okay, because simply we are saying whatever the partner is there, take that partner. So ICP level 0 members of ICP, I mean intercompany top. Consolidation is entity total, currency, entity currency, FCCS movements, total data source, no multi-gap, total product. That's it. Clear? This is called intercompany elimination for multi-currency and intercompany report. So close this one. I'll give these notes to you now. To here, and what is this, right? I'll change it to today's date. What is today's date?
11th, sir, 11th April.
11th April 2022, right? That's it. Let me share this to everyone, right? Done. Done. So this is called intercompany elimination. So data management and intercompany elimination, please practice both. Tomorrow will be last class. We'll discuss about interviews, okay? Interviews, how to attend interviews, how to create resumes, etc. Tomorrow will be last class. Clear? Any doubts so far?
సార్ ఒకసారి రిపోర్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేయరా ఒకసారి అది జనరేట్ చేసి
Intercompany report, yes, it will be saved in our local desktop downloads. Downloads, yes.
ఇక్కడ మనకి 17 అది రావాలి కదా సార్ ఇది
So here we have taken only, you have to take parent, right? Intercompany report, only entry we have taken. Clear?
ఓకే
So, right? Okay, full report, you have to design it, comma, UK, right? Now run the report, it will be different now, see? entity, 1 minute. So here, so remove this, we'll select the entities, total geography, Europe. So Asia first we'll take India, and then we'll go to Europe, and then we'll take UK. Okay, now see, now okay, run the report.
సెకండ్ పేజ్లో వచ్చింది.
Ah, 3 pages, మరి సెకండ్ రాలేదేంటి? ఓకే, so here we'll go to ICP entities, level 0 descendants. So right click, remove all ICP entities, level 0 descendants. Okay, now run the report and see. సెకండ్ పేజ్ రావట్లేదు కదా? Yes, this one reversal, right? We ticked this one. That is the reason it is not coming. Now it will come 100%. See, okay? వచ్చినట్టేనా?
అంటే 1780 అది అంటే కన్వర్ట్ అయ్యి రావాలి కదా సార్, అది రాలేదు.
1780 రావాలంటే మీకు ఇక్కడ ఏంటిది, ఎంటిటీ కరెన్సీ కాదు, మీకు పేరెంట్ కరెన్సీ తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను. ఆగండి చెప్తాను. అది కూడా తీసుకోవాలంటే ఏంటిది, మీకు ఇంటర్ కంపెనీ మ్యాచింగ్ రిపోర్ట్ వస్తుంది, కానీ ఎలిమినేషన్ రిపోర్టు వేరేగా తయారు చేయాలి. అయితే సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేద్దాం, ఎంటిటీ టోటల్ తీసేసేసి ఎలిమినేషన్ పెట్టి చూద్దాం. రైట్, డన్, కమ్ హియర్. ఎలిమినేషన్ పెడితే మీకు ఏంటిది, బ్లాంక్ రిపోర్ట్ రావాలి నా లెక్క ప్రకారం. ఎందుకంటే మీకు ఇక్కడ ఇండియా యూకే తీసుకున్నాం కదా. సో ఎలిమినేషన్ ఎక్కడ జరుగుతుంది, ఇది ఇక్కడ టోటల్ జియోగ్రఫీ తీసుకున్నాం. డన్, నౌ రన్ రిపోర్ట్ అండ్ సీ. ఎలిమినేషన్ రిపోర్ట్కి కరెన్సీ ఇక్కడ ఎంటిటీ కరెన్సీ వచ్చిందా, అగండి నాకు సరే. టోటల్ ఈపీఓవి తీసుకోవాలి సార్, మీకు ఈపీఓ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ తీసుకుని వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ఇంటర్ కంపెనీ ఎలిమినేషన్స్, టోటల్ జియోగ్రఫీ తీసుకున్నాము, చేంజెస్ ఇన్ క్యాష్, నో మల్టీపీరియడ్, ఇంటర్ కంపెనీ ఎలిమినేషన్స్. డేటా సోర్స్లో ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, డేటా సోర్స్లో రిమూవ్ దిస్, ఇది. నౌ రన్ ద రిపోర్ట్ అండ్ సీ.
ఎఫ్సిసిఎస్ డేటా సోర్స్ కూడా వచ్చింది సార్ దాంట్లో, టోటల్ డేటా సోర్స్ కూడా.
ఒక్కసారి చూద్దాం. So FCCS underscore, remove this, FCCS underscore total geography, yes. Changes in cash, no product, okay. Periodic, entity currency, entity total తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ entity currency, here it should be entity total. ఓకే, ఇది ఇక్కడ ఎలిమినేషన్ రిపోర్ట్ రాదండి, ఇక్కడ ఎలిమినేషన్ రిపోర్ట్ కాదు, ఎందుకంటే ఎంటిటీ అంటే ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఐసిపి టిక్డ్. సో యూకే ఐఎన్డిఐఏ కామా యూకే. ఒక్క నిమిషం అని చెప్తాను. నో, అయితే ఓన్లీ మ్యాచింగ్ రిపోర్ట్ వస్తుంది అంతే. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే, అంటే కరెన్సీ ట్రాన్స్లేట్ అయ్యి రాదు, పేరెంట్
ఎలిమినేటెడ్ వాల్యూ వచ్చి ఇండియాలో ఉండదు ఇక్కడ, అవునా? అది రాదు మీకు.
ఓకే, ఇండివిజువల్ తీసుకుంటాం అంతే.
అంతే.
ఎందుకంటే
right? So
పేరెంట్కి వెళ్ళకూడదు కదా సార్, పేరెంట్కి మనము ఆడిట్ దాంట్లోకి వెళ్ళకూడదు కాబట్టి ఎంటిటీ లెవెల్లోనే మనం ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తాం.
correct. So this is called intercompany elimination, right? So you practice this, right? So tomorrow will be last class and next batch, right? 19th. Next Tuesday it will be, next batch will be starting.
ఓకే.
So tomorrow we'll complete the class with interviews and those things, how to attend interviews, etc. Right?
ఎస్ సార్.
Done for the day. Bye.